Monday. We are on week 5. This is day 12, and we're talking about introduction to computers. Went through the Unit 2 completion. Man, I talked a little bit, maybe not much, about the open internet. And we did some word processing follow-up. Alright. Had the students email me with some information. We talked about growth mindset a little bit more. We talked about comparing yourself to others. We did the survey where the students kind of a self-evaluation, performance, and so forth. We did that and looked at it together in class. That's right, listed right in the modules if you want to look at that, or if you were gone and you want to take that. We looked at some word processing items, and we worked on that to finish up as some groups. Got some new groups. And so, what we have coming up, we have the skills-based assessment on Wednesday of this week. You have to take that in class, and that's on word processing, and pretty much any time from noon on through the afternoon you can stop it and take it, because that's all we're doing. We start spreadsheets on Friday. And Unit 3. Excuse me. Start Unit 3 on Friday. So you need to be getting going on your outline. Outline and the assignment for spreadsheets. That is it. Short and sweet. Home